Hi friends, this is Famous Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo X50 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Vivo X50 Pro. First of all, open camera in your phone here and take a picture. There is a clicking sound. If you want to turn off this clicking sound, you can do it. Just go to the settings of your camera here and turn off this option sound. Now take a picture now. There will be no sound while taking a picture now. Camera clicking sound is disabled. If you want to enable it, again go to the settings of camera here and turn on this button sound. So you will have again sound. In this way, you can easily enable or disable camera clicking sound in your phone Vivo X50 Pro. That's all friends. Bye.